Alright, what's up YouTube? Got a special day for you tonight. I'm over at my brother's house, flew in from Colorado yesterday, and we're going to be doing some briskets along with some ribs, some other awesome meats for you. So if you haven't checked out Joe's channel, Southern Coastal Cooking, you can check me out at Cat5Cooking, and we're going to get started on these briskets here. What do you think, Joe?
Yeah, oh yeah, we got some nice USDA prime whole packers. I think you got a 14 pounder here, and he's got a 10, 11 pounder over there.
Yep.
So we get them trimmed up for you real nice, and we'll get them injected, seasoned up, and get them on the pit, y'all. We'll about to be doing some ribs and pork shoulder and stuff like that too.
Oh yeah.
Y'all, we'll get to trimming these briskets here a little bit. Let me show you what's going on here. Y'all see me do this many times.
We're going to get to trimming, huh?
Yeah, yours is pretty clean there.
Yeah.
I'd take probably that piece off right there.
Definitely.
And with mine, I've got a little bit more silver skin and stuff. I like to start cleaning up the tops here with the flat. We just want to clean off all that that gunk there. You know, the stuff you wouldn't want to eat.
Definitely would not eat that. And this is not giving us any flavor, right? I mean,
No, not really. Well, it's really taken away because if you don't have this, your rubs are going to penetrate down the meat.
Right.
If you see something real thin,
Leave it.
you might as well remove it though, because it'll just burn, you know.
Yeah. A lot of fat. So we're just going to trim them up just a little bit. Want to leave some on there for sure.
Well, on this side, not so much. You don't really. You can take most all your fat off on the flat side. On the other side, with the cat, we don't leave a little bit. This side's more your lean side. This is what you're gonna have facing up in your cooker.
Right.
This is where you're gonna get that good bark, and your smoke ring is going to prepare from. The other side, you won't get your smoke ring usually because you've got that fat. Okay, but that's good fat. That's going to protect you from the hot cooker on the bottom side.
Yep.
This is where
Fat
you
cat.
get those
Big
beautiful
fat
slices. Let's see again. We'll go down through here. Let's see. Yeah, just
taking it off layer by layer, huh?
you know, it depends on the other thing. Talking about knives. Now, brother here likes a bigger knife. I prefer a smaller knife. Whatever's comfortable for you. I like a little, almost like a little fillet knife. I'll slash between fillet or a bony knife. You know, just something that's semi-flexible. Let me show you something else. See this thin piece of brisket right here? That's going to just burn up.
Yep.
What we would do, normally what we'll do is just cut that at an angle right there, and that lets you know exactly where the grain goes. That's a little key thing to show you how the grain runs. I can go cut my slices off of that little angle. That would be great for some grind meat or something like that. If we had us a grinder, something I'm gonna have to get. So they said, brisket with your grind meat is excellent. So we're gonna go ahead and get these kind of trimmed up. I'll come back to y'all again because you've seen me do this several times, and we'll go over with the injecting and everything.
Alrighty.
We're gonna go to doing some of the seasoning on a brisket. I like to start off with a little bit of Hunsaker cow power.
Kind of grows on you. Look.
What?
Kind of grows on you.
I mean,
It's a deal.
A little light layer.
Yeah, a light layer of that. We'll get little tips and everything like that.
I mean, it's like if you can get to the middle, like don't eat the top. The top just stuck.
Stir it up a little bit.
The middle, fine.
All right, so here we go.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
What you got there? You putting on?
Oh, sorry, this is my Crawford's.
Tastes like charcoal.
Burnt beef?
Yeah, burnt beef roll.
Yeah, load that thing
Look at
up.
that.
That's the top side.
Yep.
Do you normally do the top first or what?
Either way.
Okay. And I guess you'll hit it again tomorrow, right before you put it on a little. Just
Yeah,
so,
we can do that.
Yep.
This is the lean side. This is the main side that you want.
Okay.
One with Hunsaker again. Crawford's.
Black Crawford's is good stuff. Golly.
Happy birthday. Sorry.
Put that in it.
Yeah. Dip that around. Okay.
Wow.
Like that. There we go. Just let that kind of cure in overnight.
All right.
Alright, so we're going to shoot up these pork butts. Yeah, we probably need some more injection. So, alright. Some good apple juice, apple cider, with some heat riles injection in there. And use that to blow up these pork butts. These pork butts will hold some injection. We'll blow them up like an old tire. See how that pork butt's holding all that injection?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Well, that injector sure holds a lot.
Oh, yeah. Yep, always be prepared. You're going to have to change clothes sometime when you inject them.
So you just mixed up that injection and shook it around, or what?
Shook it around in all these little shakers, health drink shakers, or whatever you call them.
Well, I noticed that injector has multiple holes. Yeah,
Yeah,
you like
that's the
those?
needle I like to use for pork.
Okay.
Yeah.
One over there in that muscle, huh?
Yeah. I use the old single hole one for brisket, this thinner needle, but
Yeah.
this one for pork.
All right.
Might be able to get this whole thing in this one butt. Right on the side. That money muscle right there, see that's that money muscle? Get that in there. Blow that up like a big boofer. Look at that thing.
Wow, you see it just blowing up.
Yeah.
All right. What's next?
Be it. We'll rub them down in a minute.
All right.
Oh, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you next morning. We're going to make a binder for the ribs now. Really good binder / marinade. I've already got the briskets, the pork butt we put on last night. I got one of the briskets already in the Cambrio, the first one I started. Second one's finishing up wrap. My pork butts are finishing up wrap. So we'll have a lot of food. The ribs are going on a Hunsaker. So let's get over here. I'm going to show y'all the binder that we're going to make for the ribs. Absolutely fantastic. I'm going to zoom y'all in. Y'all have to bear with me. It's just me here today. Show y'all what we're doing to make this absolutely wonderful binder. All right. Now, as y'all can see, I've got some mustard right there, about a cup of your regular mustard. And then I have got literally a shot, or maybe that's 2 shots, a double shot glass of that good unfiltered apple juice. Then, my friends, this is the creme de la creme. This is this 30-minute marinade. This is made right here in Mississippi, in Bay St. Louis down there by a good friend of mine. He sells it. It is awesome. You look him up on Facebook on the 30-minute marinade, and I'm telling you what, you cannot beat this stuff. Anyway, I found it's an ultimate. Oh, it helps with the binder. I mean, I wish you could smell that right there. So we're going to add a couple of shots of that. Let's see. 1, 2, maybe say 2.5 shots. All right, 2.5 double shots. But we're going to mix that up, y'all, and this is going to be our binder that we're going to put on these ribs for the rubs. And I'm telling you what, you won't taste the mustard, but that 30-minute marinade is going to impart some wonderful flavor there. It's going to make that rub tack up very, very nicely. So anyway, that's the binder. Right here is the 30-minute marinade I'm talking about. So if y'all can see it right there. And yeah, let me get the ribs out. We'll get them going and blowing on them here in just a second, y'all. All right, y'all, so I got the ribs laid out. I'm just gonna walk y'all through one section as I do, one of these pieces of ribs and walk you all the way through, and then I'll kind of do it more of a cinnamon line type thing. But get y'all zoomed in over here. And so, I don't think Russ is going to hurt us. That's just an old cook sheet I have. And so, what we're going to do is take a piece of these ribs, and hopefully y'all can see here. Let me switch around, make sure you can. Sorry about that. Yeah, that seems to be a good little spot there. And that's the back one. That's a piece of the spare rib. I got some baby backs and spares you saw my brother and I do last night. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the binder or the marinade on here first. Just kind of brush it on the back first. And I could have done this, actually I wish I had done this last night and just let this tack on overnight. That would have been awesome. But either way, it's fine. I wouldn't want to put the rub on overnight because too much salt and things, but this, I don't think this binder would have hurt. But we're going to just go ahead and brush all this on. As we do one here for you. That you can put this in a squeeze ball too if you want to, and just kind of squeeze it on there. Either way. Alright, get the sides, get everything else. Now I'm going to show you what we'll do seasoning wise. I can still see this good, right? We are going to start out with the Heaven Made Products. This is his new jalapeno incredible seasoning, which is incredible seasoning. It gets the salt, pepper, garlic thing. That's what I like. And that's a good baste. So we're going to go with that as a baste on these ribs. Now I'm going to go a little bit heavier on the back. That's okay. Actually, we're going to hang these ribs so it doesn't matter. But if you were going to just put them down regular on the grill, I like to put more of the salt, pepper on the back. Just because it burns a lot less. And here's a honey rub. So we're going up with the second. This is Dr. Heath Riles, Rib Doctor. Honey rub. Y'all seen him, y'all know about him. Use a lot of his products. And he is the rib dude. You know? Comes all that. And then what you want to do is one last, just, sorry about that, we're crying in the background, we almost done.
Come here, come help me.
We're going to put some pecan rub. Dr. Heath Riles, pecan rub. Wonderful sweet finish, wonderful color to the stuff. Stuff is amazing, okay? Kind of pat in, don't ever rub. That's what we want right there. Those are trifecta. Those are our flavors right there for the ribs. Set this off to the side. I'll go ahead and get the rest of them done. But that's what I wanted to kind of walk y'all through what we're going to do on the ribs for today. And especially that really, really, really good seasoning. The marinade. This stuff is amazing. Thank y'all. We'll be back in a little bit. Get on. So we're about to load the Hunsaker down with some ribs. I got the Hunsaker running with some good lump charcoal. We got some hickory wood I just put on there, rolling 250 degrees. Show you what rack I've got inserted in the Hunsaker is the rib rack. I don't put my safety lever down as we load it. I'll just watch here.
Oh, that thing puts out some smoke.
Well, that's because I just put wood in it, you know.
Oh, okay.
Let's see here. So we're just gonna hang. Tactical, hang everything everywhere here.
So that's all you do, just hang it in there.
Hang it, that's right. Get as many as we can in here. And just hang these bad boys up. Let these ribs get to cooking.
How many of them hooks you got?
Oh, I got plenty of hooks.
Wow.
More hooks, so.
What's the benefit of hanging them?
Just, you know, you get smoke all around the meat. Just a good circulation of air.
Vortex?
Yeah, your vortex working for you here in the Hunsaker. That's one of the main benefits of the Hunsaker. You know, it has a vortex basket down there, a charcoal basket, and it really, really puts out the, it circulates that air. Yeah, puts out the.
What are we cooking at, 225?
250.
250.
Your barrel tile smokers are going to cook a little hotter than, you know, your, let's say you were cooking in a pellet cooker or something like that.
Sure.
Know? So you're going to always cook a little bit. 250 is about to be your minimum. You could go 225 if you wanted to.
Come back, check them how long?
Yeah. Well, I check them by the hour.
Okay. 1 hour.
Yeah. So, yeah. Look at, I mean, look, dude. This is six.
Are you still recording here?
6 racks of ribs. Yeah, I'm still recording on mine. 6 racks of ribs.
Dang.
And we're still hanging here. You know what I'm saying?
Now, would you have to cut them? Because, I mean, it looks like they fit.
Well, I don't know. You know, the thing is, some of the racks of ribs are longer than others.
Yeah.
And two, what a buddy of mine told me, he said they cook faster. He said, it's just, you know,
Yeah.
cut them there. All right, so we'll close it up. You can go ahead and shut my camera off, too. Let's see. So I'm about to go carve this brisket up. This one here, let's see what it, it's the first one I cooked, the larger one of the two. And it got done this morning in the Yoder, Y640. And yeah, that's what we're doing, so we're gonna carve this now. You see, I cut that little line there to show where the grain is. So we're gonna cut across the grain and cut out like that. Let's just make us a slice. Look. Man. Look at that smoke ring right there.
Boy.
Brisket slicing 101 here. So separate. Look, just work your knife in that little crevice there. It comes right up. You don't really have to cut. Just pull it up. Pull up like an oyster. Use the tip of the knife. There you go. Just take that little point right off there. There you go. There you go. Set your point aside.
The one on the way to facing.
And then you're gonna slice your flat.
All right.
Alright, on. There we go.
Rolling.
Yep.
All right. Let's see. Give it a shot.
See your grain runs right there.
Runs that way, so I'm gonna slice just like this.
That'll work.
Oh man.
Does he look like Chris Fruity?
Excellent. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
See a little bend to it.
Oh yeah. Good bend. Good little bend.
Alright, give it a taste.
Give it a try.
Yep.
Mmm. That's great. Fantastic.
Alright. Really did nice right there. Sliced up. Beautiful brisket. Got these ribs out here on the Hunsaker. We're about to take off the rabbit. Look at that absolutely beautiful color the Hunsaker gave those ribs. I mean, y'all, that is absolutely gorgeous. Couldn't ask for better color on the ribs, in my opinion. Oh yeah. You know, we actually threw the ribs back on the Yoder just to baste them, just because, you know, we couldn't lay them all out in the Hunsaker. I mean, we could, like 4 or 5 of them, but we just put them on here just easier just to baste them up, all right? So I reckon everything's done. Absolutely beautiful set glaze, and then you got your hardtack there, you know, no set, and then the glaze is set on the burnt ends. Everything is looking real fine. This rack here.
Good.
Now, which one is this with sauce?
That's the
I told
barbecue.
you.
The butcher barbecue.
Butcher's barbecue.
Let's get in there. Look at
All
that.
right, let's see here, home. All right, try it there.
I'm really thirsty.
Okay, hold on, bud.
I think I drank it all.
Good.
Oh yeah.
You pull back there.
Right.
I don't like that.
Not too tender.
No.
All right, there you have it, folks. Got that, and go try this one of those burnt ends here in a second.
Grab one of that.
Right over there, huh? Let's see.
water there.
Where's this go?
Oh, to the left, underneath that.
Goodness gracious. All right, let's see. Move the plate out the way. We'll try burning here.
One bite, brother. Good. Take one bite.
All right, so I'm gonna try one of these little burn ends right here. Just a little jewel, little piece. That's y'all. That's nice. Watch out.
You want more, Brody? No. Okay, watch out. Y'all be
That's
careful
good.
around that.
Unbelievable.
Hey,
Not bad.
can you go to the bathroom?
Thank y'all so much for watching another Southern Coastal video. Be sure to check out my brother's channel, Cat5Cooking. As soon as it comes up, I'll give a link to it. Thanks y'all. Please like my video, sub the channel. God bless. Y'all have a good one.